What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome back to my show. Today, I wanted to follow suit with the trend, what I spend in a week in whatever city you live in, and of course, I live in Seattle, Washington. And if you guys stay to the end of the video, I am going to show you how you can live completely for free when you utilize secret shopping and focus groups. If that sounds good, let's hop into the video. Okay, so day one of my week, which is Monday, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and we're gonna buy some groceries. Okay, so on Monday, I went to Trader Joe's, and I love Trader Joe's because they have some great food and it's usually pretty affordable. But when you guys find out in a second, you'll find out exactly how I got all of this food for free, and no, the answer is not thievery or theft or anything crazy like that. By the way, if you guys haven't tried this butter chicken from Trader Joe's, you're really missing out. It's bomb. And of course, you need some naan bread if you're going to get Indian food. It's just like, it's super good. But yeah, so I basically signed up for market research companies and focus groups. And oftentimes they have assignments at grocery stores. And so that's what I did today is I'm getting paid to be here. Got to get some pot stickers. Those are freaking delicious. And of course, orange chick. I love that orange chick. You guys ever had the orange chicken from Trader Joe's? It is super bomb. You need to have some. But basically, yeah, you can get focus groups, and there are market research companies that pay you to go grocery shopping. So you can get your bananas, you can get your jelly, which of course, jelly is my jam. And you can pretty much just get paid to do any normal shopping that you would otherwise do. And I will show you the breakdown in just a second. Okay, now look at that haul from Trader Joe's. Now, here's where it gets incredibly interesting. What I spent at Trader Joe's was $97.75. However, check out what I was able to do here, you guys. So I had a focus group from a company called Northwest Insights. This is a focus group in Seattle. I don't know if it's going to work in the area that you currently live in, but there are focus groups in most major cities. So even if it's not Northwest Insights, make sure to check out for focus groups in your area. But basically, I was paid $300 to go to Trader Joe's and buy groceries. So I'm getting a flat rate of $300. And what I spent this week in groceries was $97.75. So that means that I got my groceries completely reimbursed, plus I got a profit of $202.25. So basically, I have free groceries for the week, and I am net positive $202.25. Now, because I have a net positive, I'm going to go to PCC Natural Market, which has some brand name stuff that Trader Joe's doesn't have. I really like Dave's Killer Bread and Dave's Killer Bagels, so I'm going to go buy some of those. Okay, so at PCC Natural Market, I spent $22.56, but I was still a net positive for my Trader Joe's trip. So if you take the $202.25 that I'm net positive and you subtract out what I spent at PCC Natural Market, I still have a net increase of $179.69. All right, now day two, I have already gotten groceries for the week, so I do not need to go back and get more groceries, but I do need to get an oil change for that 2009 Ford Focus that I still drive. Now, of course, I am still at a net positive for the week at over $179 because I got $300 for going to the grocery store, and of course, I didn't spend all of that, so I do have that net gain. So now I go to Jiffy Lube and check what I have. I have a secret shop to get my oil changed. Now, this secret shop pays me $45, and I am going to spend more than that on this shop. My oil change came out to $59.38. But when you add back in the $45 that I made from that Jiffy Lube secret shop, plus the $179.69 of my positive increase from the grocery store study, I am still at a positive for the week at $165.31. So to recap, it is Tuesday. I've gotten $300 from a grocery store study, and I've gotten $45 for an oil change for a total of $345. When you subtract out what I spent at the two grocery stores as well as my oil change, I'm still at a net positive for the week at $165.31. All right, so day number 3, it is Wednesday. I have groceries, I got my oil changed, but now it's time to have a little bit of fun and get some alcohol. So of course, we're going to go to Bevmo, Beverages and More. Now, whenever I go to Bevmo, I always line up a secret shop so I'm getting my alcohol for free. And I also check Ibotta to make sure that if there's any cash back that I can get from my Ibotta app, that I take advantage of that as well. Now, my beer of choice is usually Corona, and at the liquor store, I try to find the cheapest Corona I can possibly get. So I go for these tiny little bottles that are like skinny neck bottles that aren't the full size. And so it's less overall beer, but that's probably good because I don't need to be drinking very much, but also it's cheaper. So my total expense to buy that 6-pack at the liquor store was $7.69. But of course, you know your boy has a secret shop to that. It is a secret shopping company called Confuro. I will link it in the description below. And just for going to the liquor store today, I'm getting a total of $39. So I'm making $39 from going to Bevmo, and I'm spending $7.69. So just for today at the liquor store, I have a net positive of $31.31. Plus, I got that beer for free. Now, if you take that $31.31 and you add it from the positive increase that I had from the days before, $31.31 plus $165.31 equals $196.62. So at this point, it is Wednesday. I have gotten groceries for free, I've gotten an oil change for free, and I've gotten a 6-pack of beer for free, and I'm in the positive over $196. All right, well, that brings us to Thursday, and on Thursday, we're going to see if we can get some more food for free. So we're going to head over to Jack in the Box. Now, I personally don't really love fast food. The wife sure does, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you what we can get for free and basically talk to you guys about how you can literally live for free if you just follow these steps. So I am going to go to Jack in the Box and I'm going to do this mystery shop for you, but this, I will admit right now, is not something that I would normally do. Jack in the Box isn't something that I would usually buy, but I just want to show you what's possible. So we went to Jack in the Box. I got a Jack spicy chicken, some fries, and what we spent was $9. But as you can see here from the secret shop, I got paid $19, so I had the positive increase on my Jack in the Box food of $10. So that brings my total net increase for the week so far to $206.22. Now, although I don't really like fast food, I do love me some Five Guys burgers and fries. So we're gonna head there on Friday. Now, I don't have a ton of B-roll for my Five Guys mystery shop because on the instructions of this mystery shop, it was a curbside order and a curbside pickup. So I didn't go into the store, I didn't really interact with any of the employees there. So I just basically ordered online at the app, and then I had them bring the food out to my car. Now, for this assignment at Five Guys burgers and fries, I got paid $21.75. Now, most of the time, if you're just going for yourself and you're just getting one meal, that will certainly cover your meal. But I also bought food for my wife there. So what I actually spent at Five Guys was $24.16. And I only got paid $21.75. So still, dinner for two only cost a couple of bucks. And even after you subtract that couple of bucks that I spent after Five Guys, I'm still at a net positive increase for the week at a total of $203.81. Now, on Saturday, we go to Macrina Bakery, which is the same place if you guys saw the Ryan Serhant reaction video where he made fun of me for going out of my way to get free toast.
That he's able to take the time to save a few bucks, even from going out for what looks like a piece of toast.
Now, from Macrina Bakery, we just get breakfast there. We spend $20 and we get reimbursed for that purchase. So we spend $20, but we make $20 back. So we don't actually spend anything, but we also don't make a profit on it. So the net increase there is zero. But so for the week, we're still at $203 as a positive increase. Now, of course, earlier, the first thing I did in this week was buy groceries. So on Sunday, we don't actually go out and spend any money. We just watch football. We eat the food that I bought at Trader Joe's and PCC, and we just chill pretty much all day. So no money is spent on Sunday and no money is made on Sunday. At least no money is made by secret shopping and focus groups. But so to recap, check this out. I got $300 for a grocery store study. I got paid an additional $45 for a secret shop at Jiffy Lube. I was paid $39 to go to the liquor store and buy a 6-pack of beer. I had a secret shop at Jack in the Box where they paid me $19. I had another secret shop at Five Guys Burgers and Fries where I was paid $21.75. And then I went to Macrina Bakery where I was paid $20. Now, after you add up all of those totals, but then you subtract out what I spent, I was essentially reimbursed for a week's worth of groceries, an oil change, a 6-pack of beer, and food at 3 different restaurants, and I had a net positive gain of $203.81. So after editing this video, I also lined up a secret shop to Brown Bear Car Wash. So I also got a free car wash that's not going to be part of this calculation, but basically for this assignment, I was paid $25 and the car wash cost me $10. So I got a free car wash plus $15 worth of profit. So when I'm asked the question, what do you spend in a week as a 28-year-old living in Seattle, Washington? I can say not only do I spend zero, I get all of my stuff for free, and I get paid a profit on the top. Now, of course, it doesn't work out exactly like this every single week, but if you guys sign up for focus groups, you become mystery shoppers, you take advantage of cashback apps, you can literally start living for free. I have been living for free essentially for the last 5 years, and it is a game changer. I mean, imagine how much money you can save when you're living completely for free. I hope this video was informative to you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also, make sure you subscribe to CoffeeZilla and Spencer Cornelia. They have some great stuff about debunking fake gurus that flash your Lamborghinis and try to sell you a course. So make sure to check out those 2 channels. All right, guys, see you at the next one. Peace.